Day after day, Abram and his family traveled across hills and valleys, through dry land and open fields, until at last they came to the land God had promised to show them. They set up their tents and rested. Abram stepped away from the camp and looked across the land. It was wide and beautiful, stretching farther than his eyes could see. Then God spoke to him again. "Look around you," God said. "All the land you see I will give to you and to your descendants." Abram listened carefully. Descendants, children, a family that would grow and grow. But Abram was old and Sarai had no child. Still, Abram believed God's words. That evening, as the sky grew dark, Abram stepped outside his tent once more. The stars slowly began to appear, one by one, filling the night sky. God spoke again. "Look up at the sky. Count the stars if you can." Abram tried, but there were too many. Then God said, "Your descendants will be many, like these stars." Abram stood quietly under the sky, surrounded by more stars than he could count. He did not yet see how this promise would come true, but he trusted the one who made the promise. Hope does not always mean seeing the answer right away. Sometimes hope means believing that God's promises are bigger than what we can see. And on that quiet night, under a sky full of stars, Abram believed.